What the is up, you tech-hungry maniacs? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, where I don't hold back and I sure as hell don't sugarcoat anything. Today, we're diving into the Meta Quest 3, the latest affordable leap into mixed reality that's supposed to bring both VR and AR to your living room without setting your wallet on fire. But is this the next-gen headset we've been waiting for? Or just Zuckerberg's latest way of farming your data in higher resolution? Let's find out. Before we dive in, smash that like button like it's a zombie in Blade and Sorcery. Drop a comment if you've ever tripped over a cable mid-fight. And hit that subscribe button if you want more raw, no BS tech takedowns. Design-wise, alright, props where due. This thing's lighter, sleeker, and doesn't make you feel like a cyborg from 2005. The padding is more breathable, the weight is better balanced, and it doesn't crush your nose like the Quest 2 did. Plus, the pancake lenses? Crisp AF. Way less glare, more clarity. But it still feels like plastic. Premium-ish, but not premium. And that strap still screams budget. If you're serious, you're gonna wanna upgrade to a third-party head strap day one. Performance. This is where the Quest 3 flexes hard. Snapdragon XR2. Gen 2 under the hood means apps load faster, games run smoother, and everything just feels more responsive. The pass-through. Full color, high res, and it actually works. No more blurry grayscale haunted house visuals. Mixed reality is no longer just a gimmick. It's usable. You can see your surroundings, overlay virtual content, and actually interact with your space. It's not perfect, but it's miles ahead of the Quest 2. Content and ecosystem. Meta's store still owns the VR game. Beat Saber, Superhot, Asgard's Wrath 2. It's all here. Plus, you've got support for PC VR if you're willing to go the Airlink or cable route. But the UI still feels Facebooky, clunky menus, occasional bugs, and yes, you'll be forced into a Meta account. So don't get too comfortable thinking your data's private. Spoiler, it ain't. Battery and comfort. Battery life is average, around 2 to 2.5 hours depending on what you're doing. Mixed reality eats through it faster. It's fine for quick sessions, but don't expect marathon play without plugging in. Comfort-wise, better than before, but still not perfect. Long sessions. Your face will know. So should you buy this thing? If you're looking to jump into VR and dabble in AR without dropping Apple-level money, fuck yes. The Quest 3 is hands down the best all-in-one headset at this price point. Sharp visuals, solid performance, real mixed reality. This is the headset Meta should have launched in the first place. But if you want insane visuals, top-tier comfort, and don't mind dropping a couple grand, the Apple Vision Pro is flexing at the top of the food chain. Just be ready for that luxury-taxed ecosystem. I've left the link to where you can grab the Meta Quest 3 down in the description below. And if you're still dreaming about the Apple Vision Pro, I've got that too. Meta Quest 3, Apple Vision Pro. If this review saved your wallet or made you laugh while you were pretending to punch orcs in your living room, like the damn video, drop your VR fails in the comments and fucking subscribe already. I'm out here calling the shots while everyone else is busy licking apple glass. Peace the fuck out.